I have to complete the cookie stroll by 1 hour or the Russians will kidnap me. My name is Nikolai, so it's kind of ironic, but it checks out. But for real, I gotta do it right now. So I'm gonna go to Communicore Hall and try the first cookie. But before we get started, if you haven't already, subscribe. So let me explain the Festival of the Holiday Cookie Stroll. For people who might not know it, you pick up a free festival passport at EPCOT in the entrance. As you walk around the park, you buy any 5 of the qualifying cookies from the holiday kitchens, and then you get 5 stamps, and then you get a prize at the end. That's it. Hi. Can I get a Spaceship Earth cookie? And that'll be it.
Stamp if you would like to.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hello.
And do you know where to get your cookie?
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, I got my first cookie, Spaceship Earth cookie. I'm gonna try it right now. It has some nice frosted sugar on the top. It has a nice frosting mistletoe on the top. Got some caramel smacked in the middle. I'm gonna see if this cookie gets a boom or a doom. So from first bite, I could already tell it's a little too sweet for my liking, but it's just first bite. Let me give it a second. I do think that the caramel saves it. I think the caramel is very additive to the sugar cookie. Now, if someone like threatened me and forced me to say something good about this cookie, I will. However, that is not the case for this video. These are my opinions, and my opinions matter. So is this gonna be from scale 1 to 10, close to a 10? Or close to a 1. So for example, a 10 is like if you ever have Great American Cookies at the mall, and I'm gonna just pick the M&M cookie. That's like a 10 to me. Or even Gideon's. I think Gideon's is more of a 10. A 1 is like a hospital cookie, oatmeal, raisin, cream pie that is from the Little Debbie company, and it was just like in someone's grandma's closet for like 2 to 3 months. That's a 1. This is a 6. It's better than average. I think average is around 5, but it's closer to average. I think the caramel adds another point to it, but that's just not enough. So it's gonna be a 6. I'm not even gonna give it a 6.5. It is very frosted. It doesn't have a lot of chewiness to it. It is not something I'll get again. It is really simple Spaceship Earth cookie. I do like the shape of it though, and I do like how it is Spaceship Earth. So maybe I might have to change my ranking here. Maybe, okay, 6.5. Only because it aesthetically looked good, but the taste is, So I'm gonna put this cookie to the side. And we got 4 more cookies. Stay to the end of the video to try them all out with me, or else I will be kidnapped. Why does it look smoky? Figment's on fire. Cool. Hello. Just this cookie today, please.
Okay. And then a stamp.
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, I got the second cookie. It is at the Seasons. It is a peanut butter cookie located in the Land Pavilion. This thing looks like a monster, but in a good way, a good monster. This thing looks absolutely delicious. It looks incredible. I cannot wait to dive into this because this is the type of cookie that they serve at Great American Cookie. Even has M&Ms. I'm gonna be really biased, I think, with this ranking because this looks amazing. Now, it's a little too much peanut butter. I would like them to incorporate some chocolate, but this is really good. I'm gonna do one more bite. Okay. I rate cookies how I rate movies. I watched a movie. I let it digest. I let it marinate. And that's what I'm gonna do with this cookie. I'm gonna really channel in my inner thoughts and my beliefs to try to rank this cookie. I'm gonna try to not be as biased as I want to be. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10 because it's just too much peanut butter. I wish there was more chocolate, but it is still a fantastic cookie. And I am curious what beats this cookie today. but that is a strong ranking. Great place here. This is the land. I bet everyone is on their computers looking up the next parlay for what they want to bet on Disney Bet. That's right, this video is sponsored by Disney Bet. Bet the under or over on Space Mountain wait time. The line is at 40. That should be an easy over if you're smart with your money. Download now and use code Supreme1 when signing up to get 1K in bonus credits. Now back to the video. Oh, hi, can I get the coffee mocha cookie? And that'll be it. Oh, yes, please. Thank you.
Hey, he wouldn't be the first time.
Thank you.
There you go.
All right, I'm in front of a garbage. Wait. Okay, I am on top of a garbage can, but I'm doing this for the content. I'm gonna try this coffee mocha cookie that I got from Milikalikimaka. Say that 5 times fast. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna try this cookie though. I'm not the biggest coffee person, so I'm an energy drink person. If they had a monster cookie with like mixed of Monster Energy and like Red Bull, I would probably give that an 11 out of 10. But since this is a mocha coffee nitro cookie, I don't know if I'm gonna like it that much, but look, I'm gonna go in with an empty head. That's not how you say it. I'm gonna go in with no expectations. I'm gonna eat it blindly. It's actually not bad. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of bad cookies, so like, it's gonna be fine.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
But that's a good thing though. Like, I think with cookies like this, it should be easily to be eaten. I'm just yapping, I'm just rambling. Let me just rank the cookie, dang. This cookie's a 4. I'm sorry, it's not good though. I thought it was gonna be lower, but after the second and third bite, I'm like already like struggling to finish this. It is not very tasty. There's nothing that enjoyable out of it. I do not like coffee. I'm not a Starbucks girl. I don't get my Frappuccino espresso every day. What did I say, 4? It's a 4. This cookie is mid. Okay, moving on. Hello. Can I get the chocolate cookie, please? And that'll be Apple Pay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, how you doing? Good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you, thank you. We'll do it live.
Do it live.
We'll do it live. For my 4th cookie, I got the chocolate cookie at the American Pavilion. I got it at the Holiday Pavilion shop. It is a cookie made of Snickers, so it has a lot of caramel, a lot of nuts. You ever go to a gas station and get a Snicker bar, and then you get a Disney cookie, you slap it together, and then you get this piece of crap. I'm gonna eat it right now, but before we get into the video, I do have a segment I wanna get into. It's the holiday season, and I know a lot of people are low in money. That's why this video is sponsored by Disney Bet. I got a Snicker cookie right here. I'm gonna eat it right now. I'm gonna bite into it. I don't have oh, I do have napkins. I'm gonna bite into it right now. Okay, so here's my thoughts on this cookie. I think it's a good cookie, and for that reason, it's gonna be a 10 out of 10. I don't think I have to explain why a Snicker cookie made of Snickers is gonna be a 10. If you don't think that is a fair rating and you think I ranked too fast, then I don't know, kick rocks. Because this is the perfect ranking, this is the perfect cookie. My opinion means law, and I think that's all I'm gonna say. I will say though, I'm gonna take one more bite of this cookie, and yeah, just like that, it is a really good cookie. It hits any imaginable requirement for a good cookie, and like I said, if you don't agree with me, take a hike. So I'm gonna take the final cookie now, but before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And now we're gonna go to the next cookie right now. This is the Snicker cookie. It is really good, great, huge. All right, done. Hello.
Hello.
Can I get the hazelnut cookie, please?
Hazelnut cookie, perfect. Booklet.
Here you go.
There we go. Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
$3.75. Gift card, regular card, or Magic Band.
I'll use this Apple
Regular,
Pay.
got it. All right. You know where to get your treat?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, I got the last cookie. Okay, I got my final cookie. It is the hazelnut Windsor cookie, which is from Germany. in the Germany pavilion at the Baccarat Holiday Kitchen. I'm gonna bite into it right now. There's a lot of sugar, there's a lot of jelly. I'm gonna eat it right now. Now, I was really scared about this cookie because it didn't look like a cookie I liked. But after first bite, I was exactly right. This is not a cookie I like. It's probably gonna be, I like this more than the coffee cookie. And the jam in the middle is really sweet. Wow, this is gonna be tough. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Yeah, I would give it a 5 out of 10. And that is all 5 cookies. And now I get to collect my prize and near the front of EPCOT. Hello.
Can I get a shake with vodka, please?
Is this where I go for the?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. Okay, so I have completed the cookie stroll, and in return, they gave me a baking whisk, and they also gave me these M&M minis. And that is it. I completed the cookie stroll. Now here are my thoughts. I never done the cookie stroll in my life, so this was very nice to finally experience it. And now that I did, I do say that I do have a stomach ache because that was a lot of sugar, and all I ate today was cookies, so that was really bad for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Woo, bye.